Preparation 1. Laying out the tarpaulin at the construction site. Preparation 2. Assemble the side rods. Basic information of the side road. After completing the assembly of the side rods, place them in the corresponding installation positions as shown in the figure. Preparation 3. Install the ropes. Basic information of the side rod. Connect the edge rods with ropes. There are various connection methods. The following is for your reference. Set up the tent. After completing all the preparations, set up the tent. Building the central architecture. Basic information of the center rod. Basic information of the mushroom head. Basic information of the round base. Select the center position and support the center point with the top rod. Perfect the details. After all the top rods are completed, detailed adjustments are made until it is perfect. Display of craftsmanship. Welcome to NatureGo Tents.